everyone. Today we will learn cursive letters part 7. Those who has missed out, please check it 1 to 6 part. Okay. Now we will do U, V and W both cursive in small and capital both. Okay. So first we will write U. This is upper, middle, lower. You note the lines. So we will start it from the upper line. Then we'll go to the middle line, then again we'll go to the upper line, then again we'll come to the middle line bottom, then a small curve like this. So this is capital U. Once again I'm showing you, starting from the upper line, go to the middle line, again go to the upper line, then come back a small curve like this. So this is capital letter U. Now small letter U is same, but it will be in middle line. Okay. So it will start from the middle line, again come to the middle line, and here you will do a small curve like this. So this is U, small U. Again I'm showing you, starting from the middle line, come to the again bottom of the middle line, go to the top of the middle line, a small curve like this. So this is U, small letter U, capital letter U. Now cursive letter V, capital one. It will start from the upper line and will end in the middle line. So starting from the upper line, come to the middle line, again go back, then a small curve like this. Again I am showing you, starting from the middle line, go to the middle line, then a small curve like this. So a middle line, top to the go to the bottom of the upper line, again come to the middle line, again go to the top of the upper line, then a small curve. Okay. So now small letter, it will start from the middle line, then a small curve like this. Okay, like this. So this is small V and this is capital V. Capital V, W, how to write? So starting from the upper line, go to the middle line, again go to the upper line, again come to the middle line, again go to the upper line, then a small curve like this. So this is capital W. So starting from the upper line, go to the middle line, again go to the upper line, again come to the middle line, again upper line, then a small curve like this. So this is capital W and small w will be in the middle line. Okay. So starting from the middle line, do like this, then a small curve like this. It is the small version of the capital one. Okay. So starting from here, do like this, then W. So this is capital U, this is small u, this is capital V, this is small v, this is capital W and this is small w. So you practice it at home, and till then stay home and take care. Bye bye.